You are now listening to the sounds of Mood Swing Music Group.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Mitch, aka Goldmine, and today what we gonna do, man, we gonna get into Maschine. I got a request from a friend of mine, man. He wanna get into Maschine. He got Maschine, he had it for a while, but he haven't had time to sit down and really manipulate it the way he want to. So what we gonna do, we gonna start from scratch. We gonna get in here, we gonna show you how to make a drum kit. We gonna show you how to actually make your first beat. Then we'll get into some sampling and stuff like that. So first off, man, we're going to open up Maschine 211. And then what we going to do from there, we going to start making our drum kit. So here's what we going to do, man. We going to browse. We going to go to the browser. Now I'm actually using my complete control. So you got to look at the screen and look at the screen, look to the left over there, and you'll see what I'm actually doing, but I'll talk my way through it as I'm doing it. So basically what I'm on right now, I'm on sounds, and I'm just going to go in and go into all type. And I'm going to start off with drum synths. And then from there, we're going to go in and we're going to pick all subtypes. And then I'm going to go and we'll start with a kick. And we'll get it on kick. And then we'll go through and let's go through and find us a kick real quick, something we like. Ooh, that's saucy. Oh, man, that. Okay, let's take this dusty flat. Loaded that baby in. Let's go to sound 2. Go back to the browser. I'm going to pick one more because I like to layer my drums. So I pick some with not as much hit on it. Something that got a little mid bass to it. Yeah, something like this, something I can manipulate and just give that dusty flat a little layer, something to give it an extra sound. So then we're gonna go in, go back to browse, and then we're gonna go back. And now we're gonna look for a snare or two. So let's look for us a snare that we like. Oh, I like that one. Let's take that one. Let's find us another one. Oh man, that's sick there. Okay, so that's good enough for snare. For video purposes, we don't want to get too in depth, but we're gonna create this and get it going. So now from snare, so right now we got kicks, and then we got snares. So now let's go and let's add us some. Let's get us a clap in here. That one sounds sick. Let's go in and find us let's go to close hi-hat first. And right here, make sure you're picking the sounds that you really want to put together and kind of listen to it. And while you're listening to it, be kind of putting it together in your head. Because you don't want to go through this whole process and end up, let's take this one. You don't want to go through this whole process and end up with a drum kit that don't sound good together. So then I'm going to go in, I'm going to get a open hi-hat. And I'm probably gonna go find the one that matched the closed hi-hat that I just chose. Even though so many of these sound good. Let's take that one. And then what we do, we go down. So so far we got this, guys. So now we got that. Let's go back to browse. And we got open hi-hat, close hi-hat. Let's check out the cymbals and see. Let's take that one right there. And now that we got that, go back to browse. I'm trying to really put a full kit together because we're going to use this kit for the entire video series. Shakers, toms, tonal. So you know what let's see what we got. You know what, let's start with that. Let me look for one more sound. Let's go in here, go to percussion, and let's take something like that just to give our beat some type of movement. And then from here, guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, and what you want to do, you want to save this. And what'll happen is you'll be able to save it and name it. And every time you want to make a beat similar to this, you can pull this up and actually use this drum kit. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to save this drum kit and we're going to name it the way we want to. So you want to go right here where it says Group A1 and you want to right click on it. You want to go down to Save As. And it's going to come up right here with this. And right here we'll say Mitch Test Kit. We want to save it in groups. I mean, you can save it where you want to, but we're going to save it in groups. And then you're going to hit save. Says one already exists because I made one currently, but we're going to hit replace and put this one as the new Mitch Test Kit. And now you've created your drum kit. So now you got your own drum kit of the sounds that you like. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go right here to this Mitch Test Kit. We're going to right click and we're going to delete it. And now you see we don't have anything in here. We don't have any sounds loaded whatsoever. So what we'll do, I'm going to show you how to go in here. Let's quit Maschine. We're going to discard the whole thing. And we're going to go out of here. Now we out of here. So you sit down at Maschine. You say, man, I'm going to make this beat. I got this beat in my head. You fire up Maschine. You go in. This is going to save you a lot of time, guys. Then you're going to go right here to Group A1. You're going to right click and you're going to go to Open. And right there at the top, it shows you in groups, Mitch Test Kit today, 7:21 a.m. Let's, boom. Now, once you open that up, here's everything that you chose. Now, hold on a second. Let's do this real quick. In Maschine, if you double click on this bar right here, it opens that up so that you can see it a little better. So right here is all the sounds that you chose. Check us out. So I hope this helped you out, man. I hope this helped you guys out learning how to create your drum kits in Maschine. In the next video, we're going to take this drum kit and we're going to show you how to start making your first beat. So like always, man, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.